kodwa gatsheni ngoboya benyathi wayibona phi indlovu enoboya benyathi. Yeah man, Kaizer Chiefs won, Stubborn Polokwane City nil. So yeah man, like amakhosi ajabulile, I don't wanna lie. And first of all, I just wanna say like I'm tired, but yeah, I'm not supposed to be speaking about that. I'm gonna be speaking about the game. So the first thing that I would like to speak about it is like the starting lineup. Into engiyele ngayibona, most of the fans they were criticizing ukuthi why is Hlongwane available not there, because the kid actually had like a good performance available, especially for like his debut yakhe. He had a good performance, but he was not featured available for today's game. One thing that we need to understand as like our fans, especially as like Kosi faithful fans, is that into each and every game has its like planning vele, he has its approach vele yabo yabo le camera, each and every game in approach yayo. So kuzoyenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe kwamanye ama-game vele yabo kuzoba khona iplayer elinjani njani, kwamanye ama-game kube khona iplayer vele elinjani njani according to like approaches abayisebenzisayo. And another thing, igame yePolokwane City and Stellenbosch, it won't be the same. You see, as you see my thing, I need to buy like a ring light. It's a game like a Stellenbosch and a game Polokwane City, they won't be the same. Stellenbosch will wanna play pound to pound, the games will be quick available. And then when you're playing the likes of like Obonto, Obo Polokwane City, maybe Richards Bay, maybe Boma, I don't know, sing any team, maybe Boma Patina, my case is perform. Maybe okay, let me say Orbit College, for example. You will need those teams but of ngama counter attacks yabo, anyeke vele baya pound to pound. This is not like you're playing against into Sundowns, you're playing against Stellenbosch or very Orlando Pirates, which was something Unabi Begayisho last season when like he finished out of like a top 8, and then people were talking about Nabi is not cooking in and that type of games. You need players amnandi with footwork, which was why today they brought up Unto ucele, obviously they brought up also like uSirene yabo, and then they brought up uTuba because of like the first hash available. I hope my hair is not looking bad. Them they brought up uTuba because of like first hash. I believe it's like the most comfortable striker available on the ball right now, and because of advantage of like Hinto, a height also yabo. So that was the reason. And then when we are coming back to into a left back yabo, ever since they announced ukuthi angithi bantu amalungisa ama-permits and stuff nana for like ama-players, so I don't know if they fixed vele into kaShinga available. But Cross, as we all know, he's not bad at all. If like we're being honest, Cross is not bad at all. Like so by pace, but like in terms of like footwork available, he's like the most comfortable out of one vele defenders weight vele overall for me. Remember, this is a game of like opinions yabo. Maybe there's a thing which I'm defending him, maybe I'm being biased, or like I'm trying to see something that's available ngayibona abanye abantu yabo. So yeah, it is that thing we do cross available, and then we have to go yiphi position abele bayichintsha. Yeah, okay, they swipe vele uTuba as a striker today, which is good. And then let's get to the game. On the game, yeah, Polokwane City was playing more deep. I don't wanna lie, though, they were playing more deep, but like they had like a chance. There was a moment where like they had like a momentum available with Bapi is available as push available. And shout out to Unto. Let's give Buffett credit to Unto, one and the only. Hinchebe Peterson, Brendan Peterson, like he has saved as for both of like a game. Remember Stellenbosch, they were crucial saves or also today he made a man available saves which like a good as win a level game. And another thing, and we notice that people are talking about last season you started like this and stuff. Even some fans of our course, they're like, we started like this when last season. Now, good level in your pigisa, I will go opposite, I'll argue, because last season we didn't have like a clean sheets. It is, imagine the feeling, the confidence of like keeper. We need like keepers who are like the confidence, about defensively like the confidence stuff. So it is great, even if maybe like a game, the next game, 0-0 or anything, or even if like game, 0-0. but clean sheet it will be something positive esingayithatha from like last season. And yeah, man, we have to work on like our creativity because most of lama teams lawa, which is why besiphuma ku-top 8 last season, most of lama teams lawa they will want to stay like at the back. And maba stay on the back, what you do is that like you apply vele intensity yabo, apply more pressure again and again vele yabo, bayenza ukuthi like ba-defend, and eventually hopefully they will just like crack just what they did vele yabo today, because bawecrack kanjani. That is the same way Orlando Pirates was scoring last season. That is the same way Mamelodi Sundowns most of the time vele score, because into ezoyenzeka ukuthi it will not be a thing ukuthi mhlawumbe uzothola like ibhola ukuthi like bayalcrossa, or you'll find vele yabo ibhola elinto le-through pass vele yabo, it will be a thing ukuthi most of the time uzothola ngithi ama-bounce back vele yabo, because that team it is put it under pressure. And then once by crack, that is when you can introduce the likes of Obodo Press, because leyo team leyo will be chasing the game, which means ukuthi like they'll be open yabo. So yeah, it was something like, which is one of the reasons with like ama-subs vele coach abayile ba-substitute umntu vele odaya yabo, hayi ukuthi umntu they substitute him because like he was bad or anything. He didn't have like a great game like last game vele yabo, that other one vele. But the thing is that bekanto is the type of player available thanda like ene-pace, ufuna uku-apply vele pressure, and like bongasi game vele le bemdinga ukuthi like aloku a-pressure vele aya vele phambili and stuff, because masingaluza vele yabo will be like crazy open emuva. And it is a game ukuthi sifune vele yabo sidlale vele ama-patches lapho nalapho, and another player uthanda vele uphushela phambili it is like Monyane, which is good. But kunama-games vele yabo where Monyane just needs to be like cross my guy, just like stay at the back, and then yeah, push away always, you'll overlap, and then like just rotate the ball around, and then you have like that opportunity. Maybe we might miss like one or two, but we mustn't like miss this is like speak like more opportunity like Kanto I three. So yeah, I think like with today's game, it is pretty much it, because now they go available so call it like Ganjalo. And then yeah, there's another thing I wanted to talk about. There's this thing of like Ulilepo staying on the line. Me, I don't think ukuthi it is a thing ukuthi mhlawumbe it could go like two ways ne. It could be a thing ukuthi a coach uyamtshela lana yabo, or like it is the way vele player vele engakhona uLilepo vele ukuthi vele he's just used ukuthi vele yabo ahlale kuline. Mangithi coach uyamtshela, it could be a thing ukuthi na mawume ngaleni yabo we have like more space, soba like more space vele yabo to run to vele yabo. So it is best ukuthi mawuda side. And one thing about Unto uLilepo, as we all know, ukuthi like umnandi vele yabo ngefisashi, so he'll just basically do like Versace and then I run. And then probably siphinde sibe nayo today ukuthi like both of like amawungazi, especially Augustin Sereno wafethu, he was like losing the most of like the balls when he was trying kuthanda yabo take on like ama-defenders. But always when they introduce vele Uto uPulemodi vele naye yabo, he was kind of better because he had like more aggression vele yabo than Unto. But lento le yahlupha vele yabo than Unto than Augustin Sereno. And hopefully since yesterday we signed Uvele by they say our Diamond, that guy has been on prison. So I will just like to take this opportunity also about like to just welcome the boy. I know ukuthi like he will have like a lot of pressure, especially after especially after like all this drama available endlulile vele, he'll have like a lot of pressure, because it will be a thing which now he's an except because my fans as like Leon Messi or anything, and they'll expect him to perform same time. So I'm just picking which like singamfakeli like pressure vele that much, because the boy like has a lot of things available, I believe, so he has a lot of things to deal with mentally. So yeah, it is pretty much it. And then on like my man of the match, I'll give it to Edin McCarthy. I didn't saw a man of the match actually today ukuthi bokubani vele yabo SuperSport bamnikezile, because this Giants bephakaniya they were bad and stuff, they wanted to play in PPL and PSG and stuff. So I was like, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, keep on supporting. I appreciate the two people that yesterday subscribed to the things. And yeah, I said I gave it to Edin McCarthy because yeah, bekamcimile vele umjitarana vele yabo. And another thing I wanted to say, good model positional football, we're gonna receive of most of like ama yellow cards. So I don't want to see people out there on the media and commenter So uthini konje uDuba Sam Bull what yabo. I don't want you all because like in comment like that thing because more like a lot of position like football and then like against him vele eba deep yabo. Mawuluza amabhola you have to get to them like quick, you just need to recover vele quick as possible, and that means good like you have to slide take a tackling level because once you don't do that they will score like last season. That is how it's considered Villa goes a pusher forward Kulu, and then after that you lose. So on this game one thing we can take good, we need to be more like comfortable rotate well, as the coach said Makati was like uzodavela ama-players who want to play azokwazi ukudlala vele on spaces because the team lezo bidlala deep, and yeah these teams are gonna give like difficult times, which is the same thing which is actually happening like to Ipagania. They play deep and then after that method opportunity one leyo team le they capitalize, which is painful, but I'm great with today available. It worked. So yeah.